Friends, now we are at Raigiri Railway Station. We can observe the name of the station. We may also observe the name of the station on the other side. Okay, on both sides. Now we can observe the hill nearby the railway station with a temple, and we may observe this is the way to the Secunderabad and Hyderabad. Coming to the back, we can also observe some of the area from this side opposite to the hill. We may also found some what we say hills. Okay, and we may also look the station in the nearby front. Going into the view to the railway station, we may observe the mountain or the hills, and we may observe the nearby railway station with a yellow color. We may somewhat observe the tree, and we have to pass the we may have to cross the current pillars, and there is a shed. There are some what we say lights with some chairs and a tree and some taps. Now we have to cross another current pillars. Okay, current thresholds. Now you can observe the yellow colored shed. This is the railway station on both sides of the railway tracks.